Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to be doing a tin of biscuits. Any of you that have ever made biscuits know that these things make a good pop when you open them, so I'm going to let Joyce, the microwave here, pop these for our entertainment. Okay, let's open her up. Put the biscuits in like so. And let's get microwaving. Okay, the instructions say 10 to 13 minutes, so I'm giving it 13 to be safe. Well, that was surprisingly anticlimactic. Seems anytime I start something with the remote arm, it's a lame experiment. Okay, it looks like some of the biscuits cooked. And here's the top that popped. So I guess if you want some turd biscuits, you can microwave a tin of biscuits. Now this was kind of disappointing. I was hoping it would blow the door open, but it wasn't even as cool as doing something like a jar of baby food. I'm gonna have to declare this to be a shitty idea, because not only do the biscuits look like turds, but was something I thought was going to be really cool, but was very mediocre kind of like the VCR.